Tired of entering trades too late or getting trapped in fake Forex signals? This MT4 strategy helps traders spot accurate buy and sell entries with clear confirmation signals. Perfect for beginners who want simple trade setups. The strategy uses the accurate buy-sell signal indicator on MT4. It automatically gives buy and sell arrows directly on your chart, making entries much easier to identify. Here's the buy setup. First, wait for a blue buy arrow to appear. Next, make sure the market is trading above the moving average for bullish confirmation. Then check if the candle closes strongly upward after the signal. Enter the trade at the opening of the next candle. Place your stop loss below the recent swing low. Take profit can target the next resistance level or use a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Now the sell setup. Wait for a red sell arrow to appear. Confirm the price is below the moving average. Make sure the signal candle closes bearish with strong momentum. Enter on the next candle open. Place your stop loss above the recent swing high. Take profit at the next support level or use the same 1-to-2 risk-reward setup. Quick tip: never risk more than 1-to 2% of your account on a single trade. Even the best strategy works better with proper risk management. If you want to download this free MT4 indicator and template, visit forexmt4indicators.com and start testing this strategy today.